Okay everyone, in this video I want to share to all of you about making this wall shelf in Sketchup. Okay, first of all we have to make the existing wall. Uh, this wall approximately about 2 meter, and for the width of the wall around, for the depth of the wall is around 150. Then we have to push it up just a little bit, and then okay, this wall is around okay 3 meters, and I want to okay enlarge this one. Okay, then I want to enlarge the floor first. Okay, first of all I have to enlarge and lengthen this wall first, and triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, and then we have to make the curve first with a rectangle, or we can just using the rotated rectangle. Okay, we can draw from here around 1 meter or just 800, and we can set the tall of this wall shelf. It's around 2.8 meters, and then we can using the 2-point arc start from here and here and this one. Okay, then we can erase some unnecessary line. Then we can erase this one. Then we can triple click and offset it inside, or offset it outside, maybe around 80 millimeter. Okay, so then we can using the line and click from here until here, then click here, right click, and erase. Okay, so when we have to push it to the front with using push tool, and then we have to push it until 100 millimeter, triple click, right click, and make group, and we can make the shelf right like this. We can make this one. Okay, we have to push it to the front around 300. Triple click, right click, and make group, and right click and make component, create. Then we have to move and control and place on this position. Then we can type 5 action, type slash and enter. Okay, this one, and it's done. So we can just type B on our keyboard and just select the synthetic surface. Then we can select the Formica laminated light right there to assign the material for every single object in here. Then we can also select all this object on this wall, right click and make group, and also make move and control and place to this position, so we can get a similar shape about the wall shelf uh, based on the reference in here. Okay, this is the reference and this is the implementation of 3D modeling. Thanks for watching, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.